Soccer. World fastest Type R. If y'all got something to say,
prove me wrong.
Yeah, come prove me wrong. Look at that Andy. Santa Clarita Auto Sound, man. You a special guy that say my name, he'll do your 10. He was trying to harm you. They put 30%, then limo on top of that. Put him in his place about that food, man.
About the corn dog. It was corn dog. He be loving them street dogs.
Yeah, 300 pounds. He didn't get like that big for no reason.
290.
It just happened like he was 260. The next time I saw him, 290. And I never seen him eating this video until recently. We tell you, boy. Didn't we tell you? Didn't we tell you, Stacks? With your flip flip. Look at your flip flip now, motherfucker. Didn't we tell you, Stacks? We told you don't with us Cali boys. I seen it on the video. I'm like, oh, that just killed it right there. I'm trying to see how would those look on mine, man. Put some 4s on it.
You can move the back seat and you can control the front seat.
Oh, from the back. Yeah. Like Scooter, I'm going to scoot you up, man. They got some authority in the back seat like that.
I got a loan from you. That's how I got this.
I need that loan back. So we had the back redone, so it's perfect. Oh, what percentage is that? We probably could do, that's about 15, huh?
This one's, yeah, maybe 15, 20, something like that.
Because what's on his? You got limo?
Limo, yeah.
Oh,
yeah, we did limo. So, like, if you take it off, if you rip it off, there's a lot of glue.
Yeah, take that crap off there, Henry. They just did over there, man. That Jennifer Warren. Look at it, it's already dark, huh? Yeah. It's dark naturally, huh?
Yeah, it has a little tint on it.
Yeah. Probably don't need 15. Barely seeing it with that. Soccer. Sound, music, tent, you know what I mean? Music, you know what I mean? The best, man.
Oh, so there's a tint on it already, and then they tinted over it.
It's a good jingle, one word.
Well, maybe the dealership might have done it, but it's not the factory. Yeah, maybe like a 35%, and then they put like a limo over the 35, so it's like super dark. So if you look at this side compared to the other side, it's clear. It's way dark here, and then the other one's like clear.
I would like 2 tacos, maybe 3 chicken. Ooh, the pineapple boy. Oh, he want to order some too.
Yeah.
Gringo right here want to order some.
2 chicken tacos.
2 chicken tacos?
Yeah. What comes on that?
Onions and cilantro.
You don't know what?
2. Oh, that's your too?
Yeah.
Yours before me, man. See that? Favoritism going on.
Yeah,
man.
exactly. Yeah.
White boys like their salsa.
Exactly.
Oh yeah, that's
White
the hit.
boys like sausage.
Yeah.
That's
No.
That's what he said. White
You
boys
are right.
like
You're right.
sausage.
Actually, I like this better than the green kind. Yeah. Oh, that's you, buddy.
Gotta get some hen dog for hen dog. Hello. Can I get some Hennessy, the small one? Got them rhinos, boy. What's that one? Oh, that ain't the regular one. Yeah, I'm about to check on, iPhone Pro Max. I can't get old and behind. Get an iPhone Pro Max so we can pump out more viral content.
See if I can get kicked out. This camera.
Well, all you gotta do is go somewhere with me. You'll get kicked out.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Y'all think I'm lying about Collie Man? You could ask Hyphy Whitey, but racial barriers right there. If he go talk to him, hokey dory. If I go to, no sir. When he come, hi Mr. White Man. Yes, whatever you want. But I come, no, get out of my store. They said it fit.
Who said
My
it's
boy
good?
Marquez.
No,
My
you-
boy Marquez said it fit. Oh, right there, huh?
You should have got this color. I'm kind of disappointed.
I like that. Pastel?
Yeah.
Pastel, I like
Or
that.
you could have got this one down here.
Yeah, hey, can't beat them, join them, right?
That's right.
Can't beat them, join them.
Sir, you might want to take a seat because this is going to be a minute.
Okay. Unboxing,
Do
guys.
an unboxing for me.
iPhone 14 Pro. Look at the illustrious box.
Wow.
You see that? You see the corners? How sharp they are?
Oh, yeah.
See that? You want to do it with perfection. Look at that. Oh, perfection. You've never seen a silver like that before. See that? It comes with, and that's it. Please don't touch my stuff. Don't touch my stuff ever again.
Yeah, I'll
all
just
right?
buy my own and
Just
mess with it.
never touch my stuff again.
All right.
Okay? You just ruined it. Look at that. There it is. I didn't have to buy nothing. See, girl, you didn't. Oh. My boy Gilby.
So they don't take Sims anymore. Everything's
Right,
eSIM.
exactly. Yeah, I had to bring in the SIM.
Oh, you got the 14 Pro Max? Oh, the 14.
Yeah, Pro.
Oh, right on. I like this case.
Yeah, it's pretty dope.
Yeah, we gotta make sure he's connected. That way we can take care of the trolls online.
Oh no, I let them be now. It's too much. They mad at me for doing a buck bag now.
bulky. You got the fastest Type R in the world, eh? Damn, that's crazy.
Oh, you have?
Yeah, that's it.
How you been?
They got a bigger turbo. So from the last time you guys saw it, it was a smaller turbo, G25.
Yeah.
Now it's a G30.
How long did it take them to rebuild that?
About a month.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You had it
Damn.
there.
Rebuilt everything,
New
brand new
tires,
tires.
huh?
Well, because we took it to the drag strip. So this is our setup for drag and road racing.
Wait, the world's fastest Honda now?
Right now, yeah.
Type R?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? World fastest Type R. If y'all got something
Or
to say,
prove me wrong.
Yeah, come
Prove
prove
me
me wrong. Yeah, we out here in Southern California, Santa Clarita area. So yeah, you want to oppose it? Look at that. Look at that end.
That's how your viewers want you to drive, man. You gotta drive it, man.
Oh, I know.
You gotta drive this.
What we gonna do it? Sliding a little or sticking?
It sticks because of tires. So we have two
Right,
different set of tires. So I'm running the R888Rs right now. So those do they do stick. Other setup I have are the NT01s, the Nitos. Those are really good too.
Santa Clarita Auto Sound, man. If you a special guy that say my name, he'll do your tit. For hen dog. Got that hen dog. Let me go and open it for big hen dog, man. There you go, hen dog. Once again, cheers.
Cheers.
Don't be shy, hen dog. That's yours. That's yours. Hen dog, that's yours, man. Go on, get it on, hen dog. Go on, hen dog.
I thought we taught him.
Huh?
Thought we taught him.
Yeah. That's gonna help you make love tonight, hen dog. You know that. Woo!
Hold this.
Hen dog, that's gonna knock out my little butt. Woo! Hen dog gotta kill the rest, man.
No, I can't do the rest now.
Oh, I like that laugh he did.
Get her, man. Talk nice to her. Put the baby boy to bed. And like, I got something for you, baby. Give her a little massage starting off. You know what I'm saying? Then you just go all the way down, all the way between the legs right there. That's how you do it. I'm giving a hen dog how to make love one-on-one. Santa Clarita Auto Sound does it again. Get the AMG GT63 hooked up, with some tint. Cause it was, we couldn't see out of it previous to this. They did some shicey stuff over there at Gen 2-1. They put 30% on, then over the 30% they put limo. How old motherfucker like me supposed to see through that, bruh? Hen saw it, he said, what, who did this? Didn't you hear? Hen dog said, I'm gonna show y'all just how he said it. Hen dog was like, let me take a look. Come on. Who did this? I said, Gen 2-1. He said, oh my God, they was trying to harm you. They put 30% and then limo on top of that. They wanted you to be blind so you couldn't see. I'll redo it.
Click here to watch another awesome video from Cali Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.